Well, another big announcement today on the legal front coming from Attorney General Mike DeWine.
Yeah, he announced today a major lawsuit against some of the companies that make prescription painkillers, and medical reporter Liz Bonus has been following this story. She joins us now with what it's all about. Liz?
Yeah, this is really interesting. Attorney General Mike DeWine announced today that his office is suing 5 leading prescription opioid manufacturers and some of the companies related to them. Now, his claim is that these companies are not being truthful in their marketing about the potential risks versus the benefits, and this has contributed to Ohio's opioid epidemic. DeWine says that these manufacturers led to those prescribing the drugs to believe that they were not addictive and that addiction was easy to overcome.
We believe that the evidence will show that these companies, including Purdue Pharma, Endo Health Solutions, Janssen Pharmaceuticals, Cephalon, and Allergan, put profits above the health and well-being of Ohio consumers. And they did this by flooding the market with misleading information about the risks and benefits of prescription opioids, including OxyContin, Percocet, and many others.
Now, DeWine is now seeking to have the companies admit that there were actions that were not legal. He also wants them to stop deceptive practices. And he says he actually wants money paid back to the state because he says a lot of the money that went to those drugs wasn't needed for chronic pain. People got things they didn't need. It will be interesting because other states have tried this. There's not quite a precedent that's been set yet, so we don't know how it will proceed. We will, of course, bring it to you.
He's hoping that Ohio can be the first?
Well, of course he's hoping Ohio can be the first, but more importantly, would it show that there's responsibility beyond the person who is taking the medication? In other words, the prescriber, he says, gets given this information back to the drug companies. It could be, I talked to one legal expert, a tough case to prove.
Yeah.
Wow.
Liz, thanks.
All right, back at